Guys, we are now in the day 4 ng ating Hobart, Tasmania travel trip. So, ngayon pupunta ako sa travels information. Doon kami usually pipick upin ng aming tour guide for today's trip. So, saan nga ba tayo pupunta? So, actually pupuntahan uli natin yung pinuntahan natin kahapon pero in a different area. So, nasa Richmond kami for yesterday. So, pupunta kami ulit doon siguro for a lunch. And then, pupunta tayo ng Port Arthur. And then, I think the rest are some of the side trips na rin along that area. So, it's my day today. It's my birthday trip. So, samahan niyo ako for my trip for this day. So, hopefully, hindi na siya ganun umulan. Kasi kahapon, nung nasa forest tayo, dun sa may national park sa Mount Field. So, nasa Elizabeth Street tayo. We are just walking towards dun sa pick-up. And medyo malamig pa rin ang panahon. So, bakit nga ba ako usually nagpunta dito sa Hobart? From the other areas na meron naman sa Australia. Actually, last time nagpunta na tayo ng Sydney. And maganda rin siya sa sea. Tasmania is more of a chillax. More of a mga laid back. So maganda rin siyang experience, maganda siyang lugar actually. We have here yung city na tinatawag nila, yung Central Business District, I mean, talagang very natural yung mga places. So this is actually my last 2 days here in Hobart, Tasmania. So sana mas marami pang mga surprises.
And dreams she'll never keep.
Our breakfast for today, Tasmania, very classic yung mga itsura ng mga dating.
But time rolls on like gold, and soon she won't be.
Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa first stop ng ating tour for today. So, we are in halfway through ng ating trip. So, ayan, nag-i-start lang muna kami na mag-stretching siya, aga pa naman. Parang it's already 8 o'clock in the morning. We have here some lake. Yun. So guys, we are now here in the Pirates Bay. So this is our second stop. So, ayan.
Was built in the way that we know it today. They did have working chopping down trees building. So a couple of convicts, well 6 of them actually escaped from the camp that was there at the site of Port Arthur, and they stole a small pilot.
Oh, traveler,
So we are now in the third stop of our trip for today. So naglalakad tayo along the shore. Actually may beach siya dito sa gilid. We are just witnessing kung ano ang meron dito sa baba. So maybe I'll just show you later kung ano pa yung meron dito.
vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Ito yung usually tinatawag nilang pixelated pavement. So this is more like a natural thing na form of the rocks. So it can be high tide at times since it's low tide. Ayan, it's visible naman siya dito sa baba. So it's a great morning na we experience this kind of walking down the pavement. Kasi you see the whole area to the beach. It's very peaceful and quiet to have this kind of experience here. Even though the sun is already there. Ayan. So, napaka-quiet and peaceful. So, parang feeling ko, parang nakaka-refresh. Lalo na for this kind of morning. So, buti na lang na we have this stop over here. And isa sa mga tourist attraction nila na pakita. So, guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, we are given a free time ng aming tour guide. So, i-meet lang daw namin siya doon at the end of the beach for a while. we're looking at this beach. Actually, for the rest of few months, so nakakamiss lang din na mag-beach. So ngayon meron silang mga beaches dito, pero I don't know if this is swimmable kasi parang medyo malalakas yung mga alon. Dito siya sa likod ko. So, it's just a ruins of a government cottage. So, most probably, mga walls lang. Paano? Okay. So, it feels na para tayong nasa maze. Dito sa likod ko, ito na usually yung government cottage. So, this is just like a ruins. So, mostly mga walls lang naman siya. Pero pag pumasok tayo, labas ng church nila dito. So, para siyang castle, pero sa para kang princess dito ang datingan. Yan. So, inside nung ating church here, yun. Kinda feels like talaga na nando sa loob ka ng church. Actually, hindi siya ruins eh. It's more like parang a framework of a church. Pero it's really a church. It's more like a prehistoric ano lang siya. Parang place. And nandito mismo sa loob ng Port Arthur. So let's go over here.
She hums a tune I've never heard.
That's usually the ends of our trip for today dito sa Port Arthur, and then the rest of the historical na pinuntahan natin sa ngayon, since kanina nasa historic place tayo ng Port Arthur, and then lastly nandito naman tayo sa another town kung saan sabi nga nila na pinakamatagal na or one of the oldest town here sa Tasmania, Hobart. So, ito nga yung Richmond. And then, ito nga ngayon sa pinatatayuan ko is the bridge ng Hobart na usually tinayo ng 1823. And that's the wrap, guys, ng ating trip for today. So, hopefully, sana nagustuhan nyo kung ano man yung napuntahan natin for today's video. So, just to wrap up, so kanina nagpunta tayo ng Port Arthur, which is the prison, one of the oldest prison dito sa Hobart, Tasmania, and one of the historical place din dito. And also we are now in the one of the oldest town here in Hobart, Tasmania, which is Richmond. And sa kinatatayuan natin ngayon is one of the oldest na bridge na tinayo since 1823 pa. So ganun na siya katagal, guys. So, hope you enjoy our trip for today. So, see you next time. Bye! Guys, for our dinner for today, we tried this ice cream. So, isa sa mga local ice cream nila dito. So, itong binili natin is the Creamery, which is a lavender flavor sa chocolate. And then, yung isa parang leatherwood honey. So, ito daw yung isa sa mga best sellers nila dito na ice cream.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper call.